Differential failure on a Chevy Colorado ZR2 2018. This is the front diff with the optional locking differential bolt backed out of the pinion gear. There's actually two bolts backed out, so one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one here. As I check them, I'm finding most of them are actually finger tight. I haven't put a wrench on these at all. This is just from rotating the diff around and checking the torque on them. But yeah, it's completely finger tight. This whole thing was coming apart. So no sign of Loctite on this broken piece of bolt that I found here. And yeah, not good. Not good at all. That one's finger tight as well. That one, yeah. So yeah, very bad job installing this diff with pretty huge consequences on the back end now.